Hello students, welcome to our channel NCERT Adda. Today we are going to study the very important and miscellaneous topic of class 9th and 10th World War I, जिसे हम Great War भी बोलते हैं. चलिए अब हम डेट की बात करें if, तो this war was global war that lasted from 28 July 1914 to 11th November 1918. And if we talk about the location, then we have Europe, Africa, the Middle East, the Pacific Islands, China, Indian Ocean, North and South Atlantic Ocean. Now, the most important part of this topic is reason कि क्यों फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर होता है. तो देखिए, on 28 June 1914, Gavrilo Princip, a Bosnian Serb Yugoslav nationalist, executed the Austro-Hungarian Prince Archduke Franz. In response, Austria-Hungary issued an ultimatum to Serbia on 23 July. Serbia's reply failed to satisfy the Austrians and they too moved into a war footing. Next, second important cause is the Balkan crisis. By July 1914, the great powers of Europe were divided into two groups, the Triple Entente and the Triple Alliance. Now, in Triple Entente, we have France, Russia and Britain. Later on, Serbia will join this group. In Triple Alliance, we will have Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy, जिसे हम ऑटोमन एम्पायर के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Now, Serbia was defeated in 1915 and Romania joined the Allied power in 1916 and also got defeated in 1917. Initially, America was neutral, though even it became an important supplier for war material to Allies. But after the sinking of American ships by German submarines and retaliation that Germany was trying to incite Mexico to initiate war against the USA, finally the US declared war on Germany on 6th April 1917. This is how the big powers of Europe and US came into First World War and started fighting with each other. Now, if we talk about the results, then हमें पता है कि war हमेशा destruction ही लाता है, but still First World War was significantly turning point in the political, cultural, economical and social climate of the world. The big four powers, Britain, France, the US and Italy, imposed series of treaties on the defeated one and the most famous one was the Treaty of Versailles, जो कि I am sure आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा नाज़िज़्म में. Now, despite the conclusive Allied victory and the creation of Leagues of Nations during the peace conference at Paris intended to prevent future war, a second world war just followed over 20 years later. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and stay tuned for upcoming video on Second World War.